Yeah, no pressure. Let's see if we can clean Hector Connector. I kind of almost high-sided off the cliff part at the top last time.
Yeah, I don't think you didn't clean that, did you?
No, that was my dab.
It's loose right now, so
Yeah,
it doesn't help it.
no.
Oh.
I'm gonna let a gap open just because
Yeah.
I need some room. Yeah, it is pretty marbly and loose right now. You did the power move. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's where I think I stalled out. All right, we made it.
Oh, wow. Feeling
Yeah,
yesterday.
yeah. Feel those legs. Gets the heart rate up.
Terry was commenting on the amount of room yesterday.
Oh yeah,
There's a lot.
that just kills Shank too. He's so allergic to broom. I think I had like 45 minutes of footage from yesterday. It's quite a bit. I was surprised my battery didn't die.
Have to edit the time?
No, it was pretty good.
Nice.
Yeah, the one thing though is from the top, it only gets 12 or 13 minutes before it cuts off.
Yes.
I don't know if that happens to you.
noticed that, yeah.
Yeah, so it cut off
I was like, fuck, we got to do a good
partway through Ravens, I know. But then I picked it up where it left off. GoPro, stop recording.